Let's count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That TV's so loud, I can hear it from out here. She has the surround sound system. Holy smokes, the insides are filthy. "68 windows." Look at that old shack. I like the look of it. It adds character. I like it. It's got that rustic look. I would live in that, actually. All right, what I'm doing now, I walked around the house twice. Once to count up the windows. Secondly, to look for any imperfections. Anything that I can point out to the customer, like a seal broken, and the expectations of what may or may not come out, as well as the ledges. As you can see, the amount of dirt that needs to be scrubbed there. I don't know if that's algae or chunks of cement. I just want to show you something. That one in particularly, the seal is broken. You probably kind of figured something was wrong with that one.
I did.
But no matter how I clean it, I'm not going to be able to get what that's out because it's in between the windows.
I got you.
This condensation gets in there after a while. After the window ages so many. I've seen it happen all too often.
Okay.
But it's going to be $275 plus tax.
$275.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me. I just thought that's interesting. That's a good price. Let me talk to my husband.
Sure, no problem. And it's an option, but if you have like neighbors that may be interested, if you can get one to sign on the service, I'll give you an additional 10% off on top of that. It's just, or your neighbors or friends or family.
Okay.
It's just
would you give? Does that include the doors too? The windows on
these doors?
The windows. Yeah. Does it include the window?
Oh, yeah.
Door on the side. I got windows.
Yeah, that includes everything.
Everything?
Yeah, everything. The doors, all the doors, everything on the outside.
Doors in the back.
Yeah. I didn't get crazy counting all the little things. Some people do.
Okay.
I just counted that as like 2 windows, each little thing. But
let me give you a call in the morning.
Yeah, and let me know. I'm usually pretty good with my residential customers.
Okay.
As long as I have a day or 2 in advance,
okay,
I'll work around your schedule.
Thank you.
But right now, thanks for joining in. And there you have it. Another live canvassing estimate by M.A.W. 90 to 98% of all jobs that I go and sell, once they call me to come out, I sell. It's like 2% to 5% that, pushes it off, and sometimes they never get around to it. But I don't think it's just because they didn't like my price, because I'm usually more cheaper than most quotes, because I work in a fashion that allows me to have that leeway, because I'm so skilled at what I do, and my overhead is not as much as a bigger company. Even if it was a private guy, where I can make up for in lack of price, where he would charge higher, see, he may take twice as long to do the job, where the system that I do my work cuts time down in half and allows me to make it affordable for the customer and more attractive. They'd be a fool not to take the deal. You heard what she said. 275, that's a good price. And I even made it a way for her to even save even more money by getting me a referral. But that referral just can't be somebody she sends me to. They have to actually agree to do service in order to get that discount. But